This spaghetti pomodoro is the kind of pasta you make when you want something easy, fresh, and seriously delicious. Just a few simple ingredients: ripe tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and fresh basil, all tossed with perfectly cooked spaghetti. And of course, we're finishing it off with a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano and a drizzle of good olive oil. I let the tomatoes sit on the kitchen table 3 to 5 days, just so it naturally ripens. When I go to Italian restaurants, this is the one dish I always order. I've been to many different Italian restaurants, some high-end and some smaller ones, but the flavor and the consistency remains the same. Whether you pay $100 or $20, it tastes very similar, not too much of a difference. Today I show you how to make my version of this spaghetti pomodoro. I like to strain the tomato because it removes most of the seeds and pulp. Also, it gives it a creamery texture. You can just leave it the way it is or blend it in a blender. Straining takes more time, but it is worth it for a smoother taste. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor, this spaghetti pomodoro is the ultimate easy pasta. It's light, simple, and seriously satisfying. Perfect for anyone who loves fresh, homemade pasta dishes. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.